Hello guys, welcome back to my new reaction video and as I'm react गर्दैछौँ Blues and Friends so युनिको दाइ फिचर हुनुहुन्छ विनर एपिसोड 1 हो सो विदाउट डिले लेट्स गेट इन्टु भिडियो बिफोर द्याट है एउटा कुरा भन्न चाहन्छु कमेन्ट आइरहेको छ क्या धेरै रोक्नु भयो नरोक नरोक कति रोकेको भनेर ए बाबा मैले रियाक्सन गरिरहेको छु मैले सुनिरहेको छु म जतिखेर मन लाग्यो त्यो रोकेर सुन्छु नि के भन्यो तिमीहरूलाई मैले गीतको लिङ्क तल हालिदिएको छु त कमेन्टको तल हालेको छैन त्यो हेर गीत हेर्ने भए मेरो रियाक्सन हेऱ्यो पज हुन्छ त्यो पनि हेर नहेर्ने भए नहेर गाना मैले लिङ्क तल राखिदिएको हुन्छ हरेक एउटा रियाक्सनको गीत तल उयो हुन्छ लिङ्क हुन्छ ट्याक्क थिच्ने ब्ल्याङ्क खोल्छ ट्याक्क गरेर हेर्ने है त ल लेट्स गो Friends, we look forward to the World Cup, our art which inspire the future generation from the spirit we spark. Oh, nice. Good time.
Hey, you and I Q, we back in business, baby. I know you guys been waiting for that new soul shit. And I'm here to spill my soul with my friend Blue, and it's takeover time. We back in business, baby. Where you heading to? Nothing new. I've been chasing the revenue. I want fast money, quick transactions. Guess I'm busy with the business, big man actions. Mind running fast, Somalian sprinter. Stay on the track, that's how I've been a winner. Don't really flex loud, keep it quiet with the noises. But I'ma need to slow down and enjoy it. Grown man, but I'm boyish. Still got the same old dream since I was 14. Started as a wimpy kid, no self-esteem.
So, दुईजनाकै 14 उमेरदेखिको ड्रिम थियो अरे क्या वर्किङ टुगेदर होइन सन्नाइस अनि अहिले पनि त्यही पुरानै सपना छ अरे क्या
Same old dream since I was 14. Started as a wimpy kid, no self-esteem. Now I do what I want, what a selfish thing. Just a helpless being trying to feel his worth in this earth where it hurts when the truth revealed. Heart's broken, I don't usually feel. Guess I need to slow down and choose to heal. God damn, I need me to slow down. Baby, 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 slow down. Let it breathe, baby. Let it breathe. Let it breathe.
I heard somebody say you fell off, you need
More than a year.
Wait, you're nice, man. You see.
Let it breathe.
I heard somebody say you fell off, you need
त झरिसके क्या भन्नाले त सिनबाट त गायब भइस् त जस कति माथि पुग्नुपर्ने हो तर तेरो उयो आएको छैन भन्न खोजेँ कमब्याक आएको छैन भन्न खोजेको डाउनफल सुरु भयो भन्न खोजेको है
More than a year, not a single rhyme that set off. New rappers lining up thinking I'm dead off. A lot of shit in my chest I wanna get off. I'm the one who fucking paved the way. Hate to say they treated me like I just came today. I used to be a favorite, eh? Guess it's safe to say even the brightest star fades away. But that's the circle of life. Now I'm back with a pen and a pad, got some verses to write. So I keep digging it deep in search of the light. Drop something immaculate like the birth of the Christ.
So you are the favorite दाइ होइन अहिले पनि फेभरेट हो दाइ होइन त्यो सबैले भन्नुहुन्छ अहिलेको ऱ्यापरहरूले के सोच्छ भने दाइ भर्खर आएको भनेर सोच्छ भनेर दाइले भनिरहेको छ क्या सो म भर्खर आएको होइन त्यो ब्राइटर स्टार जस्तो टल्किरहेको हुन्छ वाला जस्तो लाइन दिइरहेको थियो बवालै थियो
Now I'm back with a pen and a pad, got some verses to write. So I keep digging it deep in search of the light. Drop something immaculate like the birth of the Christ. A hip hop poet.
Yes.
That's what I think I am. Hence I call myself unique poet. Just to fit in with that description, you know.
Yes,
every now and then I pick up the pen and free my tempo. Let the beat play and I just glide with the tempo. I'm thinking out loud, hoping you hear me. Don't judge a brother if he ever fails terribly, cause God knows I've been trying my best to make sure my songs live on when I die in my flesh. I've been hiding my stress, that's the life of an artist. No complaints, I choose this life regardless. I ain't sold my soul, I ain't heartless. My hustle taught me to embrace all of the hardships. and that's something money won't buy. 10 years in the game, man, these numbers don't lie. Funny how they
Yes.
try to taint my glory. How come you speak about me? You ain't done nothing for me. I'm on my own lane, own category. You can't write history without his story.
Ah!
Now
Without his स्टोरी मेरो स्टोरी बिना भन्दा चाहिँ नाइ चाहिँ त्यो बिना चाहिँ स्टोरी बन्दै बन्दैन होइन सो कसैले लेख्यो भने पनि युनिकोड die always with dear होइन सो नाइस है
stay in your lane, Mr. Tory. Only saw it
मिस्टर
rapper
थोरै रे
his story. Now stay in your lane, Mr. Tory.
Now stay on your lane, Mr. Tori. That's nice.
Only saw it rapper Tory.
Tori.
मैले ऱ्याप पनि छोडी होइन बेरे फेरि आएँ अब सबैजनालाई बोरामा कोचेर मारिदिने पो हो कि गरिदिने पो हो कि I
Nice.
need you to slow down.
Nice. सबै बवाल 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 नाइट चाहिँ हामी युनिकोड दाइ ब्याग त्यो वाला भर्स मैले चाहिँ वेट गरिरहेको थिएँ एज अ फ्यान होइन सो म चाहिँ खतरा फ्यान युनिकोड दाइको सो बवाल लाग्यो मलाई चाहिँ सो साइड लाइक तोरी भनेर जस्तो दाइले भने जस्तो यस्तो ल्यायो मलाई आएर पनि लिसन दिनेहरू पनि साइड लाग्यो फेरि त्यो कमेन्टमा आएर ए भएन पज भयो नबुझी रियाक्ट गर्छ खतरा मभन्दा खतरा रियाक्टरहरू छन् है हाम्रो नेचुरल दाई है खतरा है मभन्दा खतरा नेचुरल दाई बिग टु हिम यो दाईको रियाक्सन हेरेर बरु मेरो भन्दा होइन दाई खतरा एक एक भर्टलाई दाईले खतरा दिनुहुन्छ सो मैले मेरो आफ्नो तरिकाले गरे मनपर्छ हेर्नुहोस् मन पर्दैन नहेर्नुहोस् है त ल ल टाढा बाई बाई